Hello everyone, welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, like, subscribe. Good morning guys, I just want to show you what happened to my cell phone and how I fixed it. So first, my cell phone, I took it to the restroom. I rested on the window rail while I was taking a shower because someone was talking to me and I wanted it on speaker. So the phone fell in the shower. Though these phones are supposed to be water resistant, they said, right? So it fell in the water. So when it fell in the water, I figured, well, it is water resistant. I'm not even going to do anything much with it because I'm just going to use it, right? So later in the evening, I tried to plug it. And then it said to me that the lighting cable has moisture. Please unplug it before you damage your phone. So I obeyed and I left it alone. I said, I'm not going to do this. So I called my sister and she gave me this bag of rice. So I placed the phone in the bag of rice long ways because I wanted it to be where the hole is for the lighting cable to go, right? So I placed it in there. So guys, next morning I tried to plug my phone in. It wouldn't go through. It wouldn't go through the hole. So I wondered what happened. I kept trying. It just wouldn't go through. So I said, hey, maybe Apple just blocked me from charging the phone because they already had notified me that the phone had a problem. Anyway, I let it be. So I started now shaking the phone. And then a piece of rice kind of popped out here. Now, I was afraid to do anything with it. So I called a friend of mine and I said to him, please, can you come and help me to see if you could remove this piece of rice for me in the hole so that I could make it what he said. He came and he said, I'm in a hurry. So, but anyway, he just took a little piece of paper clip he had and he just passed it through. And then the rice came out and he looked at me like, you could have done that. But that's okay. So anyway, I still went back inside and I tried to plug it in. It wouldn't go in. Still wouldn't go through. So I'm still blaming Apple, guys. Said it might have been them trying to protect me from damaging the phone any further. So I placed the phone back in a whole big bowl of rice this time and I cover it up. Everywhere I covered it. I got this case. I did everything. I wiped it and I covered it and I left it there for like hours, like particularly half of the day. Anyway, while I was there, I said, man, I'm going to have to take this phone to the phone repair shop or to AT&T because something is wrong. It's not plugging. But I could actually just rest it on the charger that you just rest the phone and then it goes the wireless charger. It could have charged, but of course, I wanted my phone to work proper. So something just said to me to try a different way out. So I called my niece. I say, Esther, do you have any safety pin or a needle or something so I can try something? Then she said, Auntie, I could give you I could give you an earring. I said, no, the earring might be too big to go through the hole because it has to be very thin. So while I looked on my center table, I had a needle and thread. I just pulled out the needle from the thread and I just went like this and I passed it through the hole and the rice just flew out of the phone. And then I said, oh, so it had rice in there. So it flew out of the phone and then I went and I took the charger now, the lighting charger, and I plugged it in and it worked. And now the phone is charged and I can use it and don't have a problem anymore. So it's working perfectly fine. And that is, I just wanted to share that experience with you. When you are putting your phone in rice, guys, be careful that you might end up having rice in the inside where the cord needs to go. Okay, that's just the tip I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.